Hey Mini fans, welcome to the first episode on a new project. So I just wanted to come in at the beginning of this episode because it was recorded a couple of years ago. So just wanted to give you a heads up on that one. There is a temporary, semi-temporary, maybe a one-off presenter on this episode. We'll see. That presenter may come in again, who knows. So enjoy this episode. I'm going to hand over to him. Enjoy.
Hello and welcome, Mini fans. This is Seven. He was born in 1974 and he's a Mini 1000. We have decided to record some videos of the work we have already done. The following pictures are of where we got him from.
The car was in original condition and the seats were all still intact. After freeing off all four brakes and a little push from the previous owner, we successfully got the car onto the trailer, all strapped on and ready for the 3-hour trip home. One happy boy with a new toy. After it was back, we then proceeded on to giving it its first wash in however many years. And then started with the strip down.
So far we have took all the stuff out and we're taking the engine out. My friend here has taken a wheel off. We're going to take all the wheels off actually, but yeah.
And what else have you done?
So what else we've done?
What specifically bits have you taken off? Which bits have you taken off?
Well, we've taken off, like, if we come to the inside, we take off
Oh, the window.
so la 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 la, and we took all.
What happened to the seats?
Well, we took them out. That was the first job. That was, I don't know how long ago, 2 days ago, and yeah. So we're doing the wheels now.
Hello Mini fans, welcome to the garage. This is where we're going to be working. We're not currently working here at the moment, as you can see, because of the mess. But I thought I'd just film it in here, just to show you where we are. Right, it's currently 2021. We're locked down, so we thought, got time on our hands, let's put a video together of the orange Mini that we bought a year and a half ago, 2 years ago I think it was now. We have stripped it down to a rolling shell. We've put as many pictures together as possible. Hopefully you're enjoying it so far. Hopefully you're enjoying it. There is a video there which you've seen of my son explaining what we were doing at the time. We've got the engine coming out next, is what the next bit you'll see. I will get some video footage of the car all stripped so you can see the state of the shell. But yeah, let's see the engine coming out next. Right, next up is the seats. The seats that came with the car were the original seats. They were black. They had a few tears and stuff in them, but generally they weren't too bad. They were sold on eBay to someone locally. He's I think repaired them and put them in a Cooper, I think, if I remember rightly. So yeah, here's the pictures of those.
We are live from the garage and this is my car 7. Hit that like and subscribe button. So this is all corroded and busted, and we're also getting new wings. And if you come round here inside, the floor is all, well, rusted. This is the only thing, this is the only thing holding this front wing up. There's no seats. I've taken out the fuel tank and the rear light, sorry.
Right, on the passenger side, you can see the seals have completely rotted away. There's some seals still left. We're going to need a new doorstep on this side. The floor's completely rotted, and we've got the toe board is not looking pretty. I think we're going to have to put a patch or something in there. Driver's side's looking better. We've got a hole in the usual corner of the floor. Small one just underneath the seatbelt bolt bracket. There's some surface rust etc. in the back. Hopefully that shouldn't be too bad, but we'll see when we get round to it. The rear quarter on this side, there's a couple of holes on the top here, but generally it's not too bad. The rear panel is probably the worst bit. We've got the lips gone on the top. The seams where the moss was sitting has rotted through. The bottom is not too bad. The bottom edge, where it normally goes, apart from obviously this corner has rotted away. The boot is there, but it's a bit thin, so I think we're going to go for a new boot. Get the new boot floor in, but the arches look okay. They look like we might be able to use those. So the same on this side with the seam. So we're going to go for a whole new rear panel. It's probably just the easiest thing to do. This quarter looks better. So it's a lot cleaner on the top and on the bottom. So we should definitely be able to get away with that side. On the sill, this side's rotted away again on the front. And then, yeah. So, we'll have a better look when we get it up in the air. Scuttle isn't too bad. There's along the front edge here, it's might need a little bit of a patch or something. It'd be nice to try and save if we can, save as much as we can anyway. So we should be able to reuse the scuttle hopefully. Yeah.
Cool.
Right, I'm going to jump on the end here. I just want to apologise for obviously the bits, of different times. It's kind of been a bit sort of a bitty episode. We've got obviously back when we first started, halfway through COVID, and obviously these bits doing now sort of to sort of try and tidy it up and make it sort of a more of a viewable episode. So obviously ongoing. Hopefully it should be you know, a bit more clearer of what we're doing, and obviously moving forward. You can see the cars behind me. You know, we're getting ready to move on to getting the subframes off. I'm just trying to source a jig so we can get the car hopefully rotating. The original idea was to maybe flip it on its side. You know, if you watch Minimat TV, you'll see he flipped it on the side. It was kind of a same sort of idea, same colour as well, almost. Yeah. But yeah, my new plan is obviously to try and get on actual jig. I think this can be a lot easier to work on that way. So a friend has said that he's got one. Hopefully we're going to get that off from him. But yeah, stay tuned, and I'll get the episodes to you as soon as I can, and we'll get you the progress as it comes. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.